Hello students, I'm going to model for you how to use this activity to help you represent numbers with expanded notation. So we're going to represent this number 7,049. And the first thing we need to do is type it in this top, which is a place value chart. So I have 7 in the 1,000s place, a 0 here, 4 tens, and 9 ones. All right, now I need to represent that with place value discs. So down here to represent 7,000, I'm going to need 7 of my 1,000 discs. So I'm going to move those up. All right, so I have 7 there. Now I don't have any hundreds, so I'm not going to move any place value discs here. I have 4 tens, so let's put those over here. And we have 9 ones. So I'm going to move over 9 of my 1 discs to represent that number. And of course it's okay if they overlap. We need 3 more. All right, so now we've represented everything with our place value discs, and now it's time for us to type in down here to show how to represent that number with expanded notation. So I don't have anything over here, so I'm going to use one of these white boxes to cover this up because I don't need that expression right there. Okay, now here, how many groups of 1,000 do I have? I have 7 groups of 1,000. Whenever we see the multiplication symbol, let's just think of that as groups of. 7 groups of 1,000. I don't have any hundreds. I'm going to move a white box. And I have 4 groups of 10. And then I have 9 groups of 1. So if I look across the bottom, I can see how I would represent this number with expanded notation. Have fun working on these practice slides.